Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all for today's social class. Today we will see in part 2 textbook last lesson in civics part. The lesson name is Constitutional Amendment, page number 67. Listen. The stability is an essential feature of the constitutional law. In view of adjusting to the changing situation and account of continuous social changes, the amendment became necessary. Let us see now structure of the constitution. The structure of the constitution can be decided on the basis of amendment. Listen, the structure of our constitution can be decided on what basis? On the basis of amendments. Got it? On the basis of amendments, the structure of the constitution can be decided. Okay. In case the amendment is easy, it is called flexible constitution, and in case the amendment is difficult, it is called rigid constitution. Listen, dear students, in case the amendment means changes, is easy, it is called as flexible constitution. Got it? In case the amendment is difficult, it is called as rigid constitution. Rigid means difficult. Okay. The Constitution of India is a combination of both rigid and flexible factors. But our Constitution is both. Both means the Indian Constitution is combination of flexible and rigid. Got it? Let us see now methods of constitutional amendments. Amendment by simple majority. Second one is amendment by special majority. Then third one, amendment by special majority along with the consent by half of the states. Let us see explanation of these 3 points. First one, amendment by simple majority method. Certain parts of the constitution can be amended by a simple majority through general legislative process of the parliament, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and seek the consent means approval of half of the total members of the parliament for amendment. For example, qualifications necessary for the citizenship, etc. Listen, dear students, certain parts of the constitution, not all the parts, certain parts of our constitution can be amended. Amended means changed by a simple majority through general legislative process of the parliament, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and seek the consent. Consent means approval of half of the total members of parliament for amendment. Got it? Example, qualification necessary for the citizenship of India, etc. Got it? Now, second method is amendment by special majority method. Certain parts of the constitution can be amended by a special majority consent of the members of the parliament. Listen, dear students, certain parts of the constitution can be amended. Amended means changed by a special majority consent of the members of the parliament. Got it? See, majority means 2/3 members should accept. Majority means what? 2/3 persons should accept. Got it? For example, fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, and other factors can be amended under amendment by special majority method. Got it? Let us see now. Third method, seeking consent of half of the states of the India and amending by a special majority method. See, listen. Certain parts of the constitution can be amended by special majority along with consent from half of the states of India. Listen carefully, understand the topic. Certain parts of the constitution can be amended. Amended means changed by a special majority along with consent from half of the states of India. The half of the states should accept for changing or for amending certain parts of in our constitution. Got it? This method harder compared with the other two methods. Listen, the third method of amending the constitution is very harder. Harder means difficult compared to other two methods. Got it? By this method, the election of the President of India, distribution of powers between the center and the state, and other section can be amended. Got it? Under the third method, what are the amendments can take place? The election of the President of India, distribution of powers between the center and the state, and other sections can be amended. Got it? Let us see now last para. By these three methods, certain necessary amendments can be made to Indian Constitution. The provision is made in the Constitution for including certain changes in accordance with the changing society and situation. Got it? The changes in Constitution is very necessary or required because changes in accordance with the changing society and situation. So amendment of Constitution is necessary. Got it? See, till September 8, 2016, our Constitution has been amended 101 times. How many times our Constitution has amended? 101 times. Got it, dear students? Today I finish your whole lessons in your part 2 textbook. Okay? In case you have any doubts in today's lesson and what I done in previous lessons, you have any doubts, you can call at any time and ask. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, dear students, let us now take homework. The homework is discuss in groups and answer. They give 5 questions. First one is, what is constitutional amendment? Second one is, what are the methods of amending the Constitution? Third one, what is simple majority amendment method? Fourth one, what is special majority amendment method? Last question, explain the third method of amending the Constitution of India. These 5 questions is an homework for you. Write neatly in your homework book and send it in group. Okay, dear students, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, one and all.